Hello good people, hope you're doing well. In today's video we are going to make pork ribs. As you can see, we are already marinating, and what is in the the grinder is ginger and garlic, and we are going to add all the other spices as you can see them there, and then we mix. Once you spread on one side, then turn the other side and spread the marinade and ensure it is evenly mixed. Yeah, as you can see. And then you cover it. You can allow it to go for overnight or at least 2 hours if you don't have time to allow it to do overnight. Or yeah, just maybe if you can plan your meals ahead, like for the people who do weekly reset and planning, so you can do this on Sunday and then maybe you cook in the course of the week. So, and there we have it. We leave it for some time. In case you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber viewer, thank you so much for coming back. After some time, at least 2 hours or whatever time you can leave it for, we are ready to cook. And what we'll do, we will first oven bake, still the way it is. And then the only thing we did is just cover with foil. And then voila! After about 30 minutes, this is what we had. As you can see, it's not beautiful, so we have to improve it. So at this point, we are going to slice into pieces, and then we go to the next step. The pork turned out so delicious, as you can see. Yeah, so you can try it and let us know how it has come out. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next one. Bye. You wanna know